What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zyron. Today I want to try something, oh come on. Ever since I became a sneakerhead, it can be very expensive. So I wanted each of my sneakers to last as long as possible. And the only way of doing that was washing them. But I realized over time it just wasn't enough. That you still get yellowing, which for now it's fine. This isn't all that noticeable when I'm wearing them. I've noticed there's been a lot of painting and customization within sneakers, and although it's gonna be a while for me to have the confidence to customize some sneakers, I have to start doing something, and I have no experience with paint. But because it's my first time, I'm kind of being selfish and I don't want to do it to my own sneakers, so... Call sister on speaker.
Calling sister on speakerphone. Wait, over there?
What are you guys doing? Can I borrow your shoes?
Yeah. Which one?
Just your NMDs.
Yeah.
Alright, sick. Oh wait! Stop doing that. I'm not sure if you can tell by the lighting, but see, it's just kind of yellow, and over here it's always the worst. If you're planning on keeping this for a long time, I feel like it's something that should be done, but I kind of don't know what I'm doing, so...
To prep the midsoles up, I will be using leather prepare and deglazer from Adidas Direct. All you need to do is get a little bit and just wipe down the midsole.
I don't like that one. Oh, it's still there! YouTube, how do I paint this?
Honestly, Boost is never really pure white in my opinion. When I look at it, I see a nice little hue of yellow. So what I like to do is add a drop of vanilla into the actual white, and you get a nice color that looks like that.
On the air?
Yeah, maybe. Stop! What's up, vlog?
Hey, what's up, vlog?
There's another camera hidden over here.
We're gonna eat.
Yeah. Okay, son. I'll see you later. Alright.
You need a heat gun that will reach temperatures of about 300 degrees.
I don't have a heat gun, but I got a hairdryer. Okay, I was not expecting this, but these bricks had more wrinkles. For example, yeah, see how wrinkly that is? See how wrinkly that is? Like, using the heat gun removes all the wrinkles. What the heck? Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting that. Okay. But anyway, see that spot right there? I got overconfident and I didn't tape around the parts that didn't need painting. So we're gonna use some nail polish remover and see how that works out. But I don't know which one. Did I already use this? Oh yeah. We're just gonna... Looks like that's all I can reach. Got a little bit here too. Sister, we're done. Look at that.
Oh my god. That's all you.
That's all me.
Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah, right?
You look great.
Thanks, man.
Can you do this?
Yeah. That's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'm really happy with how these turned out. I mean, what more do I have to say, right? There's no way I could do these right now because I just need to wash these first before I get these started, and then I usually let them dry for about 24 hours. So this will definitely be a future video to restore your own, or for example, my sister's or anybody else who has them. I'm just happy I could say I could do it. I think that's the most gratifying part of all this. I've always wanted to try something like this, and I'm so glad I did. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you're wondering why this is all empty, go ahead and click the video here to find out why, and I'll see you when I see you. Nobody told me this would smell so bad. How long is my room gonna smell? Just get it done, just get it done, just get it done, just get it done. Has to be done, apparently.